This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. Today we've got a brand new 2026 Peterbilt 567. It's a tandem axle dump truck. It's got a 20,000 pound steer axle, dual steering gearboxes, air disc brakes up front, 315 22.5 steer tires. Got our 4.5-inch wide fender lips on the hood. 100-gallon polished aluminum fuel tank. Def tank with a stainless steel cover. It's a 16-foot Tebco insulated body with electric tarp. Has 46,000 pound rears, locking differentials, 430 gears, 11R 24.5 drive tires on polished aluminum Alcoa wheels. Standard swing gate. Got your inverted brake chambers for the rear drum brakes. It does have tractor air or trailer air and electrical connections at the back of the truck, so you can put a pintle hitch on it. Polished space saver battery box. 2 polished aluminum air tanks. Stainless side cab exhaust. Your chrome mirror covers. Stainless visor. 2 roof mounted air horns. Chrome steel front bumper. And let's take a look underneath the hood. Under the hood, we've got our 510 horsepower Paccar MX13. And behind that, we've got our Allison 4500 series RDS transmission. Inside, we've got an air ride driver's seat with our durable modura cloth. Bed controls, extra gauges in the dash, AM/FM radio with Bluetooth, multi-function steering wheel. Top, we've got a Uniden Bearcat CB radio. We have 5 of these trucks coming. 2 are on the yard and ready to go today, and the other 3 are close behind. So if you could use one of these, give me a call, 706-372-4698.